Alright guys, Thursday date and time, I'm right from 10R. And right now we happen to be at the Lakewoods Corporate Center in Schaumburg, Illinois. Here's the floor director if you want to pause to read. And before we ride the elevators, which are right there, take a little look at the lobby. You can see it's got some really nice artwork on there. And it's also got an open atrium, you can see. So it looks really nice here. And there's some seating. And now wait for that guy to go. And with that being said, let's take a ride in the elevators. It's got an Adams call button, as you can see. And since that one just went up, we should be getting this one. There's Big Brother right there. And it looks like this elevator is right here. And here it is. Wow, this looks really nice. So now we're going to head to 4. It's got innovation universal buttons inside. Anyways, here we're up at 4. It appears this is an automatic elevator. So now we go down on the 1. You get a cab view here. I would have sent it down, but I saw someone up there, so I didn't want to get out. It's a pretty nice elevator for an office building. We're stopping on 3. There's a secret special if you want to pause to read. Wait, never mind. Here's your COP right here. Here's your phone. I'm going to send this one up so we can get the one on the right. And this one. It's pretty much the same as the other one, except the COP is on the right side instead of the left. This one should appear to be a little bit more bouncy. Anyways, here we're up at 4. This is the 4th floor looks like. Now let's get on the 1. Now we're going to get our cab view. Again, same as the other one except COP's on this side, which means the ceiling high. It doesn't look like masks are mandatory here because I saw someone not wearing one. So anyways, there's your floor indicator there. There's your certificate of inspection if you want to pause to read that. Don't know if giving you guys enough time to read the other one. Here are your elevator operating instructions for fire service. Here's your COP right here. And there's your phone. It's got a different phone in there. So now we're going to watch this close up. There it goes. And that'll be it.